There's this site called Clickworkers. It's a very good site for any person who's looking for ways to make money online. And I personally love it for a range of reasons. Number one being, you can literally handle all the tasks in that site using your smartphone. So if you're the kind of person who keep asking for opportunities that allow you to work online and make money using your smartphone, this is it. Another reason is that they are consistently hiring people from around the world, America, Australia, and Africa as well. So whether you are in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, you are free to apply. And I had mentioned that they are consistently hiring. So you don't have to worry about waiting in line for weeks or months before you hear your response. Like when you apply today, you get in today and you can get started today. The other reason about the site is it has different kinds of jobs, ranging from easy all the way to complicated. We have content writing jobs, transcription, survey, data analysis, data annotation, and whatnot. So this gives you a wide range of options to pick from. And the best part about it all is that the site is beginner friendly, meaning you can get started today, whether it's your first time to hear about online jobs or you've been trying different things here and there. Like, this site is going to make it easy for you to get started. But something to point out is that this platform mostly is suitable for guys who are looking for a side hustle as opposed to a full-time grind, because you're going to handle microtasks and therefore the pay is not that big. Okay, I'm not saying you're not going to earn enough, but it's not enough to cater to all the bills that you have. Okay, something just good to get started. And I love saying that in addition to beginners, it's a very good platform for somebody who wants to test the waters, like figure out, is this online thing right for me? Or somebody who has a lot of spare time to do other things. Okay, so instead of wasting your time, you can just jump in, pick a micro task, handle it, and get paid. Now, in today's video, I want to take you through how you can open this site and also have a look at different opportunities that you can explore. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to open the Clickworker website. This is their URL, clickworker.com. Then click earn money as a Clickworker because you want to task. So when you're here, there's this option to sign up and to log in. Of course, because you do not have an account, we are going to click on sign up. I'm going to put fake details. On the second page, we have birthday, country, native language. I put Kiswahili and English, street number, zip code, phone number, then confirm that you are of legal age. Nothing complicated. Then on the third page is they're going to ask you to install the app. And in the app, you're going to put in other details. So I'll open my app later on. But for now, let's use an account that I had already opened under my official names. This is how the platform looks like, and you can see that I've earned 0. It's just a demonstrations account. And now right here, you can see, like I said, it's beginner friendly. We have the onboarding. They're saying complete these trainings and be prepared for exciting challenges. So I would highly encourage you to go through all these. Like, for example, here they're saying general, welcome to Clickworkers. We have photo capturing as an opportunity that you can handle. If you want to learn about photo capturing, you're going to watch this tutorial. So let's say this one, they're saying general, welcome to Clickworker. I'm going to open it. And they're saying, welcome to Clickworker, get informed and earn your first client. This is the money per job. Okay. Then you're going to click start to at least watch the welcome video. And if you want to learn other tasks, you can just come back. Like, for example, photo capturing, click on it and go ahead and learn. Then now, once you're done, you can now scroll down and look for jobs. You can see that these jobs pay well. This one is paying 0.22 euros, 0.76 euros, 10 euros, and whatnot. Then the available jobs, here they are. We have help, train, and authentication application, desktop. we have video creation, So we have different jobs. This is a survey job. This is also a survey job. We have game testing jobs here and there. We have photo capturing, bonus, app testing, like all these kinds of jobs. We have voice recording, video creation. I think I've mentioned that. Now you'll realize that most of these jobs will want you to execute them on the app. So in that case, you must have the app ready to handle those jobs. They're saying quick, simple job. Let me click on it. Or this one you can just handle it on the computer. But most of these jobs will tell you that you need to work on them through your app. In that case, you'll just go to the app and start working on the job. Okay. And this is a good example of it. The project can only be done on our Clickworker app on iOS or Android smartphones. So yeah, forward the link or you can go on your app. So I'm going to open the app just briefly to show you how it looks like. Go ahead and sign up, then install the app and give it a try. This is the phone app under the job section, and you can see the jobs that I was just looking at through my computer. This is the survey job. It needs me to complete my profile. Let's see, we have photo capturing job. Then I can just accept the job and proceed. So which task are you going to begin with? I'm curious, I'd love to know. So leave it in the comment section. And by the way, if you find my videos to be impactful or you're learning from my videos and you're not liking, you're not commenting, you're not subscribing, the question is why? Because when you do that, number one, it motivates me. Number two, it helps my channel to grow. Okay? Now, after watching this video, if you've not done the three, I'm going to find a snail and put it under your bed. Okay, I'm kidding. Just make sure that you're subscribing, you're commenting, and you're liking. And by the way, you can just leave a question. Like, let's say you've watched a video, you've not understood something, leave a question. I'll happily answer it. Or maybe I've talked about something that you understand better and you have more pointers to add on. Be sure to leave it in the comment section. Okay, I just want you to help me grow as well and to keep me motivated. So that's that for today. I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Love you all. Bye.